Transform your home with our two stunning new collections, the Performance Light Filtering Fabric Roller Shades and the Performance Blackout Fabric Roller Shades. Designed to bring modern sophistication and effortless style to any space, our performance shades combine high-quality materials with sleek functionality. Discover a range of contemporary colors, refined textures, and custom design options that let you create the perfect look for your home. The Performance Light Filtering Fabric Roller Shades will infuse your space with a soft, welcoming glow. These shades are crafted from 100% durable polyester and are available in 7 neutral hues with beautiful, subtle textures. The fabric's front and back are identical, ensuring a smooth, polished appearance from every angle. Our Performance Blackout Fabric Roller Shades provide complete light control and privacy. They are perfect for bedrooms, media rooms, or any space where darkness and relaxation are essential. Crafted from 100% polyester, these shades are available in the same 7 colors as the light filtering collection, but feature a solid white backing on the street-facing side. This versatile palette allows you to maintain a cohesive look throughout your home, while selecting the ideal level of light control for each room. Let's explore more options offered by the Performance Roller Shade collections, designed to deliver style, choice, and convenience. There's a perfect lift type for your needs. The metal beaded chain is standard and is a great choice for tall or hard-to-reach windows. This lift features a continuous bead chain loop for smooth lifting and lowering of your shade. The child safety tensioner is included and must be installed to operate the shade. Metal bead stops are also included so that you can set the upper and lower limits on your continuous loop chain. The cordless lift offers a clean, modern, and dependable design. Effortlessly raise or lower this shade with your hand for precise operation. Handles are not included. This lift is a favorite for homes with kids or pets. The cordless lift is only available with the 3-inch cassette valance. Our motorized lift options come in 2 styles: wand motorized and battery-powered motorized. Wand motorization is equipped with a built-in lithium-ion motor and a 36-inch wand-like control. The control wand magnetically attaches to the port near the top of the shade. Simply raise or lower your shades with a quick push of a button. This product offers simplicity, reliability, and guaranteed control at the window. You never have to search for a misplaced remote. Charging the wand is simple. Just connect the micro USB to the bottom of the wand for an easy recharging experience. This eliminates the need to replace batteries. The 5-channel remote is not compatible with this lift type. Take your window treatment to the next level. The battery-powered motorized lift is perfect for hard-to-reach windows or anyone that loves modern convenience. The 5-channel remote allows you to lift and lower to your desired position from anywhere in the room. With this option, you can operate up to 5 shades individually. Upgrade to the 3-inch cassette valance with a matching fabric insert in the front. The valance conceals the roller tube at the top of the window for a sleek, designer finish. Side mounting is not available with this option. Customize how your shade rolls for the perfect fit and look. Choose standard roll, where the fabric rolls off the back of the tube and sits closer to the glass for maximum light control. Or choose reverse roll, where the fabric rolls off the front, concealing the roller tube for a neat, streamlined appearance. Reverse roll is not available with the cassette valance. And there is even more to love with these added details. The heat-sealed hem bar at the bottom of the shade delivers a cohesive, built-in appearance without the need for traditional stitching. Our installation brackets offer flexible mounting. For open roll shades, the hook-style brackets are color-coordinated to the roller tube components in either white, off-white, silver, or black. These allow you to top mount, side mount, and wall mount. For the Cassette Valance, the metal white or black brackets allow you to top mount and wall mount. Side mounting is not an option. All roller shade fabrics are Greenguard Gold Certified. This ensures your shades contribute to healthy indoor air quality in your home. Why choose the Performance Light Filtering or the Performance Blackout fabric roller shades? Because these shades combine modern style, effortless function, and customizable options to fit every room. Light, dark, manual, or motorized, your perfect shade is just a pull or a touch away.